Go ahead.
Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Welcome to another episode of Community Service Graveyard Creep. Channel name Lee 480 to Freedom, because I got 480 hours of community service to do. But today, I am not doing community service. I am in this graveyard for my own pleasure, which don't take that the wrong way. So today we are doing the Lynch family plots. There is quite a few of them. It is my girlfriend's family. She comes from Lynch's, and they also own a restaurant in historic Port Huron called Lynch's Irish Tavern. So my girlfriend's side of the family has a lot of deep roots here in the Port Huron and Fort Gratiot area. And today we were just filming the Civil War Memorial over there, and it's kind of the same cemetery, very large, very huge. So, you know, we decided to stop in and take care of her family plots as well. So we're gonna get started. There's quite a few here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Hey, we got 10 to do. Let's get it done. Alright, well there you have it, folks. We knocked out all 10 of the Lynch family headstones. Just putting some finishing touches up. So, oh, there we go. Tripod not standing still. All right, that concludes another episode of Lee 480 to Freedom, or Fat Guy Rubbing on a Rock, Graveyard Creeper, you know, whatever you want to call me, I don't give a shit. But with all this community service work, I get kind of mighty hungry. Hey babe, you know of any good restaurants in the local area?
Maybe Lynch's.
Oh, Lynch's Irish Tavern. That sounds delicious. You think your dad will pay me if I keep saying the restaurant name on YouTube? Hey, sponsorship! See you later.